PodcastProfessor.com. Hi, I'm Lij Shaw with PodcastProfessors.com, and welcome to our free video series where we answer some of the most frequently asked questions about podcasting. A common question is, how do I create a podcast? Did you know that some of the most successful podcasters that you find at the top of the iTunes charts started out with nothing but a cheap computer mic, free software, and absolutely no idea what they were doing? Perhaps you are already a fan of some popular, well-produced podcasts, and you might be asking yourself, how will I ever get to that level? How will I ever have a podcast that has that quality of audio production to it? Well, you can relax. Because even though you will get a great deal of enjoyment out of creating your own successful podcast, you won't need a great deal of equipment or technical know-how to get started right away. In fact, it's the quality of the content that you provide your audience, not your technical or even fancy production knowledge, that matters most. Of course, these advantages don't hurt either. To begin with, you will want to clearly define what your podcast is about and who your ideal listener will be. Once you have the focus for your show and you're ready to record, you may be surprised to know that many of the tools you need to start are free or very affordable. To help you on your journey from great idea to great podcast launch, we have created a step-by-step course that will fast forward you from beginner to podcast expert in no time at all. We put the power of podcasting in your hands so you can reach your target audience.
With all of these excellent Podcast Professor wisdoms, I just can't wait to see what you do with your podcast. And be sure to stay connected and subscribe to our Podcast Professor's YouTube channel right away. Write your story. Podcast yourself.
PodcastProfessor.com.